guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the brand new Jeffree Star palette by Morphe that just got delivered. I'm so excited. And the setting spray. Do you want to see what these are about and see the swatches on this bad boy? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so again, I ordered this the minute it was available on Morphe's website, and I finally received it today. And I'm so excited because I do not have an actual palette from Jeffree Star. I was almost on the fence of getting the blood sugar or the blue blood, but I hear the pigment is a little bit different than what I'm used to. So I kind of held back and I'm waiting a little bit. And then I heard about this guy and I'm like, if it's made by Morphe, maybe it has like the Morphe formula. I'm not quite sure, but I'm really excited because there's so many beautiful colors in here. So let's go ahead and get this bad boy open and let's see what it is all about. In person, it's so much better to see than on a computer looking at it. So it is wrapped in bubble wrap and hopefully it is all okay inside. Here is the outer packaging, very pretty, Morphe X Jeffree Star. And in the back now, let's open it up. Whoa, it is a full big mirror on the top and it says Morphe X Jeffree Star right on the top. This is so pretty, you guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I am so excited. That is gorgeous. You have greens, you have pinks, you have mauves, you have purples, you have tans, you have browns, you have iridescents, you have shimmers. Oh my goodness. That is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I have got to swatch this for you guys, but this is beautiful. There's even like an orange. Wow. So let me go ahead and get my fingers in this and get them swatched for you guys so we can see what the colors really look like. And that is a lot. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 30 colors in here. 30 different shades. Does it say anything on here? Hi, how are ya? Well, we all know I live for makeup and bold statements. Yes, especially with my makeup. The world needs color and I'm serving it up by the pound. I'm so excited to once again curate magic with Morphe and bringing this beyond stunning palette of variety, vivid shades to life and into your hands. All Jeffree Star approved and created all for you. One touch and you'll be hooked. So dive in and explore your creativity. Love plus lipstick, Jeffree Star. Okay, you guys, holy moly, look at all of these colors. I am actually so excited to try these greens. Look how pigmented they are. There's more of like an olive green, a darker green. There's that black. There's like peaches, magentas, a little bit of purple up in there, orange, lighter orange to pink, silvers. Look at this silver right here. Oh my gosh, that's the glitter. There's some more pinks. Like this palette can be good for fall with the browns and the orangish and like the reddish orangish colors. It can be good for summer with the bright colors. You have the greens and the browns for any time. This is like this palette, I am so glad that I got. You guys, this is just stunning. This is a beautiful palette. All of the colors went on very well and very pigmented. It's all one swipe. I didn't even have to go back in and add more color to any of them. That is one complete swipe of every color. Amazing. I am loving this palette. This palette, you guys, is available on Morphe's website and it's $35 for this entire palette. And I'm so excited about that because Jeffree Star's palettes are normally more expensive, and that's another reason why I haven't bit the bullet and went and bought one because I just haven't, because I didn't know how well I would use it. And I didn't want to spend like $50, $60 on a palette just to sit and look pretty, even though I don't know. So I'm so glad that I purchased this palette. Now, if you guys want me to do like a few different try on looks with it, let me know in the comments down below. And one day soon, I only have one day off a week, I will try to get this in rotation to do like maybe some greens, some purples, and some neutrals, like maybe a few different looks out of it. If you even want it, if you don't, then I won't. But I am so excited to try out this and start using this because there's such a huge color variation that it can go with anything. And I really like that there is so many different colors in this palette. I really like that. Now, next would be the setting spray. And this is supposed to be in, yep, strawberry. And I believe this one was $18. And it just says Morphe X Jeffree Star Set and Refresh Mist. Starberry scent. So I'm assuming that's the same scent like that I have with the lip sugar scrub. That smells amazing. It says Set and Refresh Mist, Jeffree Star approved. Set your beat with this super fine Jeffree Star berry scented mist. A continuous air powdered spray delivers a controlled and an oh so refreshing application. Flawless. Directions: hold the bottle 8 to 10 inches away from face. Close your eyes and apply the mist all over your face. Warning, avoid spraying in eyes. Gotcha, gotcha. Okay, so let's see what this is all about, you guys. So it has a nozzle right there. And here is the actual packaging. Nice and pink and pretty and matches this whole line that he has now. So let's go ahead, let me close this so it doesn't get in my eyeshadow palette. And let's see, 8 to 10 inches, about like that. Very, very fine mist. I don't even know if you got to see that. Like, let me see if I can put something black behind. Very, very fine mist. Oh my gosh, and that smells amazing. Oh my gosh, that smells amazing. I normally don't use setting sprays. I got it just because it's scented and it matches, and that's why. But this I think I actually would use because it smells amazing. Ooh, yes, that smells amazing. So this setting spray smells just like strawberry goodness, strawberry berry scented goodness. So if you have his lip sugar scrub and you like that scent, you definitely will love this scent. And I still smell it. I wonder how long that scent lasts. It smells so good. I guess you could always do a little fresher upper if you wanted more. So this I actually do enjoy. It's a very, very fine mist. I mean, it was a very fine mist. I look a little like shiny going on right here, but it's not wet anymore. It's completely dried and it still smells amazing. I'm still smelling the strawberry, which that smells really good. And this palette, you guys, is just stunning. I really, really like that. I'm so glad that I bought it. So you guys, go ahead and comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world. Let me know, have you heard about this palette? Have you seen this palette? Did you order this palette? Did you get this palette? Let me know all the details down below because I love to hear from you guys. And I'm just so thrilled that I actually now have a Jeffree Star palette. Even though it's by Morphe, it's still Jeffree Star and it's amazing colors. That is awesome. I'm in love with these colors, you guys. So again, if you do want me to try to do a video at some point, it's not gonna be tomorrow, but in the next week or so, and do like a few different try-ons, let me know. If so, let me know which color combination you would like to see so I know what to do when I do what I do for you. So thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this video. I showed you my little Morphe haul that I purchased and I'm so excited to now have. So that is everything. If you haven't done so already, I'd greatly appreciate if you hit that subscribe button, and then you'll see the different videos that I do load for you guys. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.